What is mindfulness? Hi there, I'm Dr. Alice Rizzi. I'm a licensed psychologist and a mindfulness coach. And my definition of mindfulness is that it is the quality of being present in this moment with awareness, acceptance, kindness, compassion, curiosity, and non-judgment. Now, don't worry about having to remember all of these things. You absolutely don't have to. What I found through years of researching mindfulness and meditation is that when you practice, those are the qualities you end up developing. And the research shows that the more mindfulness and meditation you do, the more aware, the more accepting, the more kind, curious, compassionate, and non judgmental you're going to be. So, if those are qualities that you like to think of yourselves as, or you want to make stronger in yourself, so that maybe you want to be more self compassionate, maybe you want to be kinder to strangers, maybe you want to be more compassionate towards your spouse, your partner, your family, then mindfulness skills might be just what you need. So, stay tuned for more information on mindfulness. Subscribe and like for more.